June 17th. First day's been sunny this whole week. It's been quite rainy and cool. Just want to give you guys an update on my apple trees. This is my Fuji Apple. You can see I kind of thinned it out a little bit, so there's only one apple per spur in that sense, otherwise they'll be too heavy. My Gala apple over here is a little smaller. I don't know how I can show you the size. Here, come over here, my friend. Oh, yeah, sorry. There's it. There you go. You can't even tell the difference, but if you have two per cluster. Okay, so this is about the same size, right? This is on my left. Here is my Fuji. My right, that one, is my Gala. So if you have only one per cluster, let's look at this. It's really hard to do when you hold the phone with one hand. Extremely hard to do. Okay, here, bend over. Luckily my trees are quite flexible. Here. See that size comparison? We have two per cluster. They don't get the right size. And the one on top is one per cluster. So what I'm going to do, yeah, you know, I was worried I'll get some worms, which I did last year, is sadly pick off one of these beauty, you know, there's two. I am going to pick off, the right one. Let's do it. Bye-bye, harvest. So, now I have one per cluster. This should be a better size. Of these, I kind of thinned it just recently, so this is down to one per cluster, but they're quite small in comparison. So what I really suggest for you to do is thin it out. Yeah, this is a good time to thin it out. It's gonna be nice. There's no worms on it right now. Usually apples are very famous for getting worms here in Washington, but these beauties been pretty good to me, and I hope it stays that way until September.